IG-ChristyRocksXO. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm so excited for that because I absolutely love Halloween, and Dollar Tree has amazing things this year. Not to say they don't have awesome things every year, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm excited to share that with you. We will be doing 2 DIYs, but for the first DIY, we will be using these trays here. You will need 3 of these trays. They are absolutely so cute. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's little spiders outlining the edges of this tray, and I absolutely love it. I think they are so cute. So if you want to do this DIY with me and you want the exact same look, go ahead and go to Dollar Tree right now and pick up all of your items. So you will need 3 of these trays, and I'm going to show you here in the next clip what we're going to need next. Alright, and the next thing you're going to need for this DIY are these large vases here. I found these at Dollar Tree. They are an awesome steal for just $1. So I did go ahead and wash my trays because I wasn't sure if I was going to use them for snacks or if I was going to decorate my trays, which I ended up decorating them. So I also went ahead and I washed the vases, got them nice and clean. Here I'm just drying them. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to want to find the center of your tray. So I'm really just trying to get it as in the middle as possible. So you're also going to need this E6000 glue. This glue works extremely good, and you will need to let this dry overnight. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to place glue all along the rim of this vase. So you want to go all along the whole rim. Make sure you get a good amount of glue because you don't want this to come apart, especially if you're putting, you know, things on top of it. So go ahead and put a nice amount of glue. You don't want to oversaturate it, but just enough. So now that I have the glue on there, I'm going to go ahead and find my center as best as possible. And I'm going to place the vase right onto my tray. And I'm just holding it down. And I did go ahead and try and clean up the spilled glue that's spilled out, but it really doesn't matter because once you put your decorative pieces or your cupcakes or cookies on there, you're not even able to see it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So that's what it's going to look like. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put some glue on the bottom of this vase. I'm going to load it up. You don't want your vase to disattach itself from the tray, so go ahead and load the whole thing up with glue. So now that I have all of the glue on my vase, I went ahead and I took my second tray, and I'm just trying to find the middle of the tray, and I'm going to place it on top of the vase, and I'm going to push down on it. Don't push too hard because this glue takes a while to dry, so it's not completely dry yet. So I'm just trying to gauge the middle and pushing it down, making sure I have it all set. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to repeat the same steps that we did with the first vase. We're going to rim the vase with glue, and I'm going to be placing it onto my second tray. So now that we have the glue on our last vase, we're going to take our last tray and we're just going to try and find the center as best as possible. I'm really trying, guys. So I absolutely love the way this 3-tier tray came out. I dare you to try and say that 3 times fast. It is so cute. So this is going to conclude our first DIY of this video. I love it. It's so cute. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these heavy plates and I'm going to place them on my top tray, just in order to put some weight on the top, so that way the glue can really stick to the trays and the glass vases. So I did go ahead and leave this overnight, so I suggest you do that too. So there it is. I love it. So now on to our next DIY. I'm going to be using these beautiful mugs that I found at Dollar Tree. There are a ton of mugs and cups that you can choose from at Dollar Tree. So I did go ahead and pick up 3 white mugs and 2 black mugs, which I should have got some more white mugs because I really liked the way they came out. So here I'm just showing you what they look like. So I will be using this decal here, and it is inspired by Ray Dunn. I absolutely love Ray Dunn's products, but I decided to go ahead and make my own. So if you're looking for these types of decals, you can find them online, and I also sell them. So you can head over to my Instagram and send me a message if you're interested. So here I'm just basically showing you how we applied our decals. I have my husband help me with them because I'm a little jittery, so I have him do it for me. So those are his hands. Thank you, hubby, for the help. So what he's doing here, he's literally just putting the decal onto the cup, trying to center it as best as possible. I really love the way these cups came out, so I did make one that said, "I put a spell on you." I also did another one that says, "Witches brew" and "Hocus Pocus." Here I look at my black cups. I did do one that says "Eek" and "Boo." So now that all my DIYs are finished, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating my 3-tier tray. All of the products I'm going to be using are from Dollar Tree, and a couple are from the 99-cent store, but everything was $1. So here I'm going to be using some Spanish moss, which makes a huge mess, and that white pumpkin, and these signs here that say Happy Halloween, and my other sign says Trick or Treat. Love these signs. Awesome find. Next, I found these skulls. They're really cute. They were $1 each from a Dollar Tree. Then I found this beautiful Halloween trick-or-treats spell book. I did find a bigger size, so if you want these, I suggest you go now because I don't want you to miss out on them. So those were from Dollar Tree, and this tree here was from the 99-cent store, which was only 99 cents. Then I have these witch hats, which are so cute, and the theme that I go for when decorating my home is a witch theme and / vampire-ish. Then I have this skull here that does light up. The eyes change colors. They go from red and green and blue. They go through all the colors, and they're both from Dollar Tree. So now that I showed you everything that I'll be using to decorate my 3-tier tray, I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys watch and just enjoy for now. I know you can see in the background I am watching a Beetlejuice. That is one of my favorite movies. I can literally sit there and watch Beetlejuice all day long. So I hope you don't get distracted by the awesome movie in the background, but let me go ahead and let you watch me just decorate. everybody, so that's going to end it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I really enjoyed making this DIY for you. Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.